Did you know about the willow tree? Here it is, this beautiful, magnificent tree. The tree is usually beside living waters, and there it is. And it's in Psalm 137. It says, when Israel was in exile in Babylon in the past, they hung their harps on the willow tree. And they actually did, and the harps were only 10 string, and so they did that. And there would have been quite a number, most likely, because quite a number of people played the harp. The prophets played the harp. Each one had one of his own, and there may have been 30 or more. And so they hung them up, and then the wind would blow, making this ethereal sound, a sound that would blow, and the sound would be heard far and wide, the sound of the wind in the harp strings. It's kind of a wailing sound as well, so it's kind of denoting the exile and the sadness of the Israelites. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to say about this sacred tree. And let's turn to life here. The tree of life is Jesus himself, remember. He is the source of eternal life. To answer the question from the beginning videos, he is the source of all life. Yeah, he is a tree of life that brings us into. So heaven is where eternal life is lived out, but there's also another place, a dark place. And in order to get into heaven, we need to have a relationship with Jesus, the source of eternal life, the tree of life. So if you don't know him, ask me and I'll help you. I said in one of the videos earlier there was a prayer you can pray. So do pray and give your life to Jesus today. He is the tree of life. So I hope you enjoyed our study of the sacred trees. Bless you all.